going to quickly go through how I used an FTM-400 Yaesu radio connected to my Android device to display a map from APRS packets that were decoded. I wanted to use what I had on hand without spending any additional money on Bluetooth connectors or any other peripherals. So if you have an FTM-400, in the box should be the SCU20 PC connection cable. It's basically just a USB to serial DIN connection that uses this special DIN connector that's on the back of the FTM-400 unit. Then, since my Android device uses a USB-C, I basically just took a USB-A to USB-C connector, plug that in, and I'm able to connect the radio to the Android device without any other consideration. You'll want to hold down the display button to get into the menu options for setup. Go to Data, COM port settings. Make sure that your speed is set to 9600. Your output is set to packet. And these two should be NMEA 9 and all. On the Android device, open APRSDroid, go into Preferences, and change your connection protocol to Kenwood, and your connection type, be sure it's set to USB serial. Then change the baud rate, if it's not already, to 9600. Once you start decoding packets, they'll show up as pinpoints on the map. I am picking up packets from my HT. So I'll go into the HT and transmit a beacon, and you'll see it popped up right here. 2314 is the current time, and that's the most recent beacon. If I send another beacon, 231458, it's the latest beacon on the top there. So it is decoding beacons, but it doesn't seem to support sending beacons. If I try to send my position, it does attempt to send it to the radio, but this never transmitted, and my HT did not receive that. So it looks like it's receive only.